Hey guys, Leif here from iTech. Today I'm going to show you how we can fix poor copy quality. If you have lines on the pages, there's a good chance that you might replace one or more drums. So I'm going to first show you what a drum looks like. It comes in a box like this, a little bit similar to the toner cartridges. I've just opened it up here. I'm just going to pull it out to show you what it looks like in the box. This is actually a used one that I've got in here. So I've already pulled off the plastic that is around it on this one. But this is a drum that is actually damaged. It's got yellow lines, and I can see that there are some lines and it's just worn out. So I've already replaced it, but I'm going to show you how to. So we're going to open the front door here, and when you look at that, you can't actually see any drums. So you wonder where are they? But because these are the toners, and the drums sit underneath, and the box underneath here is the waste toner box. So I'm going to open that. It's got a little secret compartment here, so we'll open that, and then you can pull this whole thing out. So you just push down on there, pull that out, and I'm going to just gently put that on the floor because this is the waste toner. It can get a bit messy if you're not careful. And the drums are actually in here, and you can see the first one yellow, then so it's the same color as here, so that one is the magenta, cyan, and the black drum. And in my case, I had blue lines on the pages, and it turned out that it's a cyan drum. So all the color drums are the same. It's actually just called a color drum, so the same product code goes in. It's not a yellow and a magenta and a cyan drum, it's just a color drum. So the cyan would have been this one, so I go the third one in, and I flick down this blue lever, and then we can gently pull out the drum. So I'm just going to pull it out and take a note of which way it goes out. So you basically get one. This is already brand new because I just changed it, but I'm just going to get the new out of the box, and we pull that in back in like this and click it back up, and so that's in. Then I take my waste toner bottle, put that back in until it clicks like that. Put that little lever back on, close the door, and we have fixed our blue lines.